BCA 101, Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. We're going to talk just a little bit today about input devices. There are lots of ways to input information into a computer. Keyboard, pointing devices, any kind of touchpad, touch screen, a lot of different ways. For example, I'm just using a stylus and touching the screen, drawing on this right now. We want to be able to distinguish scanning devices. If you're scanning an image, you're going to digitize the image. You're going to turn it into digital representation, so ones and zeros represent the image. Later on, we talk about the difference between a raster image and a vector image, but we scan images for lots of different things. In work, people now will scan images and create PDFs of the image so that can be stored other than storing it on paper, and that's become very popular. Scanning a barcode. Those barcodes on packages, we have lots of different types of barcodes that we scan, and it gives us a number, and then that number can be used to look up something in a database, price, or manage inventory, and so forth. Barcodes are extremely popular for scanning. They're very accurate and quick, and so forth. There are ways to identify things by your facial, eye recognition, facial scans, fingerprint. We talked about that, handprint, and so forth. So you can identify information that way also. Nowadays, we can have audio input, whether that's just like you're recording music. Voice commands are extremely popular now. You can use voice commands to do different things with a computer, with a device, with a phone, and so forth. Also, there's audio inputs becoming very good in terms of voice recognition software that will take your voice and turn it into text. Some people, it's easier to put together thoughts and ideas by talking and then having the device automatically type it. And then there are lots of new ideas and techniques for inputting stuff into a computer. I saw a quadcopter, and based on a person's thought process, they could think about squeezing their right hand, and the quadcopter would go right, squeezing their left hand, and the quadcopter would go left, and so forth. And all that was monitored by a device on the person's head. So there's all kinds of new technologies in terms of how we can communicate to a computing device. And that's it for input devices.